Being a business student is a journey that defies norms. It's an exception from the typical. It's a journey that starts young, it is powered by visionaries, it is inspired by the will to be independent and remade into a drive for success. It is nurtured at the School of Business, with a rich legacy of educational excellence, with more than 100 national and international collaborations, and an industry-relevant curriculum with placement opportunities across domains and more than 25 student clubs and societies. It is cultivated by liberal learning, mentored by subject experts, encouraged by specialists, and made ready for the world.